Nangungupahan ka rin ba at nanghihinayang sa bahay at rentang binabayaran mo na kahit kailan hindi mapapasayo? Good news kasi dito kay Kathleen Place 5, 179,000 na ang cash out all-in na yan at pwede mong malipatan in less than 3 months. Yes, you heard it right. At last 6 units left na lang tayo sa ating low cash out move-in ready home kaya wag ka na magpahuli. Hi, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another complete and premium home tour. Dito, sulit na sulit ang ibabayad mo at may 400 up to 500,000 discount ka pa. Free na ang fence and gate upon turnover, kasama na ang kitchen cabinet at lahat ng cabinet sa bawat kwarto kaya wala ka na iisipin. Polido at premium ang pagkakagawa, modern ang design ng bahay at maganda ang layout. Kaya hindi na ako magtataka, ang bilis lang naubos ng mga ready for occupancy low cash out units natin. And what you see in this house or video except the furnitures and fixtures, ganyan na mismo ang turnover natin. And you heard it right, 179 lang ang cash out, available to through bank finance. Maganda ang location dahil boundary lang to ng Las Piñas, Bacoor at Alabang area. And for a standard inner lot, may floor area ka na 106 square meters at lot area na 60 square meters. Sa RFO unit natin, may few corner lot and end lot na available and the rest are inner units. Kaya naman kung ang target mo ay corner lot at end lot, contact us immediately. And yes, complete finish na nga to, kaya naman may 3 bedrooms ka, all in the second floor, 2 toilet and bath, 1 in the ground floor. At syempre, meron kang service area that you can expand upon turnover sa'yo ng unit and provision for 1 carport na almost covered na rin dahil naka-overhang ang ating second floor. If you're not in rush to move in, may available naman tayong pre-selling na may free appliances kaya halos balik lang din ang reservation mo. And yes, bank and in-house financing ito available pero ang promo natin na move-in ready is for only bank financing. Kung saan instead of 10% ang down payment mo, 3% na lang ilalabas mo and the 7% ay lumalabas ng discount. And the rest of 90% ay loanable to bank. Total contract price starts at 5.9 million for a standard inner lot at yan ang pinakamura natin ngayon dito sa Bacoor kaya naman sulit na sulit talaga to. Part of the promo na dapat during the reservation complete na ang requirements mo for bank financing para ma-eligible ka. Estimated monthly amortization through bank naman ay pumapatak ng 37 to 39,000 a month. O diba para ka lang din nagre-renta dito sa area pero ito sarili mo ng bahay. Free na rin ang Meralco and water connection pati HOA at RPT for 1 year. So paano? Tara tripping na tayo. Link in bio or caller messages in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam.